Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on TikTok. It's actually pretty simple, and this isn't going to take a long time at all. So first and foremost, go ahead and open up the app. Then once you are inside of the app, you want to go to your profile, and you can select the little three horizontal lines in the upper right hand corner. From there you can go down to settings and privacy. And then from here, you're going to want to scroll all the way down until where you see display. Under display, you have these different options here. You could either just have it always on dark mode, or you can go ahead and toggle this on, use device settings. So that way, if you have different focus modes, then it will basically follow your focus mode. If your phone is currently on dark mode, then TikTok will be on dark mode. But if you turn your phone off of dark mode, then TikTok will not be on dark mode. So this is how you can play around with either light or dark mode on TikTok. I think all of us have been wanting this. So just wanted to come on and make a quick tutorial of how to do it.